Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you want to disable the captcha on your Google Chrome and you're looking out how to do so, let's just start right in with the video and get started. So first of all, let's start with the honest truth, which is we cannot fully disable the captcha in Chrome. Captchas are server-side security systems, not a Chrome feature. So there is no real off switch in Chrome settings. But what we can do is we can just go over and turn on this workaround so we can enable cookies, which is very important because some captchas loop because cookies are blocked. So for that, you can start by going to your browser and go to your browser settings. Look out for the three dot in the top and select it. And scroll down, go to settings and open it up. After you go to settings, you can go to privacy and security. And within your privacy and security, you can just go over and look out for cookies and other site data, third-party cookies, etc. And within here, you can just go over and select this option of allowing third-party cookies, because if you allow it, usually you can just go over and not loop the issue that you're having. Apart from that, if you're using Chrome, you can even look out for extensions available. These do not disable the captcha, but help you solve it faster. So you can look out for your Chrome Web Store, type in Chrome Web Store, hit enter and go to your Chrome Web Store. After you go to Chrome Web Store, you can look out for extensions such as Captcha, something like this, which is a captcha solver. And you can hit enter. And this one right here. Once you find it up, you can add it to Chrome. Select add to Chrome and click on this option of add extensions. And once you add the extension, you can just go over and try to access the site with a lot of captcha. But it works mainly on reCAPTCHA audio and images. Challenges still it requires the human interaction, which is necessary. And the thing is, CAPTCHA cannot be disabled totally. So what we can do is we can just go over and avoid it by turning off VPN if you're using any, and also allowing cookies and using a trusted extensions. That should probably work out for you. So we hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.